This lab considers the interaction of wireless transmitters and receivers. Transmitters and receivers are devices that communicate unidirectionally. That is to say that the transmitter sends out the data and the receiver, on a separate circuit, reads the transmission. That is to say that the transmitter sends out the data and the receiver, on a separate circuit, reads the transmission. Transmitter-receiver pairs are used in most wireless communications, including radios, RC toys, and UAV communication. This is an RF transmitter. It will be built on the first circuit, with its input attached to an LED. You can find a schematic on how to attach it to the breadboard in your assignment sheet. This is the RF receiver, which will be built on the second circuit, also connected to an LED, but through the receiver's output. The antennas are simple wires and are used only to enhance signal transmission. The standard operation voltage is 5 volts, regulated by the potentiometer. Describing the voltage will decrease the transmission range. This particular transmitter-receiver pair operates at 315 MHz and communicates data at 4800 bps. Consider what this means in relation to the Nyquist frequency. The pair has a maximum range of 500 feet under ideal conditions. The interested student should investigate what real-world conditions can hinder this range. You can also use 434 MHz transmitter-receiver pairs, and using different frequency pairs is necessary for two-way communication. The circuit you see here is shown in your assignment sheet. You will need to use separate breadboards so you can adjust the distance between them. See the resources for a comprehensive description for the transmitter-receiver pins. The Arduino controls the LED voltage, high or low, on the transmitter circuit. This LED's output, read by the transmitter and sent to the receiver, which automatically adjusts the receiver LED's input. Most of this happens automatically and is not shown in the code. The code only controls the transmitter circuit LED signal. Once you have constructed the circuit, try moving the receiver circuit away from or towards the transmitter circuit. If the circuit is not transmitting properly, check the transmitter circuit's connections to the Arduino and verify that all connections for each breadboard match the diagrams in your assignment sheet. Use the RF reference in the resources section to make sure that the transmitter and receiver were not installed backwards.